Top 7 healthy meal planning tips for busy people.
Discover practical strategies to maintain a healthy diet, even when your schedule is packed. No matter how hectic life gets, these tips will help you save time, reduce stress, and make nutritious choices throughout the week.
1. Plan your meals in advance.
Set aside a few minutes each week to decide what you'll eat. Make a simple menu and shopping list based on your preferences and schedule. Planning ahead helps you avoid unhealthy last-minute choices and ensures you have everything you need for balanced meals.
2. Batch cook and meal prep.
Prepare ingredients or entire meals in larger quantities when you have time. Store them in the fridge or freezer for later use. Batch cooking saves time on busy days, cuts down on cleaning, and makes it easier to stick with healthy eating.
3. Choose quick and easy recipes.
Select recipes that require minimal ingredients and can be made in under 30 minutes. Think stir-fries, grain bowls, salads, or sheet pan dinners. Simple meals help you stay consistent with your healthy eating goals, even on your busiest days.
4. Stock healthy staples.
Keep essentials like whole grains, canned beans, frozen vegetables, and lean proteins on hand. Having healthy staples in your pantry and freezer makes it easier to throw together nutritious meals without extra shopping trips.
5. Prep snacks for the week.
Wash and portion fruits, nuts, or cut veggies ahead of time. Having healthy snacks ready makes it easy to grab something nourishing between meals and helps prevent reaching for less healthy options when you're in a hurry.
6. Use portion control.
Pre-portion meals and snacks into containers so you're not tempted to overeat when you're short on time. This simple habit promotes balanced eating and helps you manage your intake, supporting your health goals.
7. Stay flexible and forgiving.
Schedules change, and plans don't always work out. Allow yourself some flexibility. If a meal plan falls through, make the healthiest choice available and move forward. Progress, not perfection, is the key to lasting healthy eating habits.